Welcome to the Red Fox official channel. Today, we'll show you how to install and use the Discord Token Guard Pro extension. This powerful tool, developed by the Red Fox team, helps you retrieve Discord tokens for integration with our Discord to Telegram bot. Let's get started. Step 1. Installing the extension. First, visit https://Chrome Web Store google.com to access Google's Chrome Web Store. Then, type Discord Token Guard Pro into the search bar. Press enter and see the results. The search results will show our extension with Discord to Telegram in its description. Click on the search result to view the extension details. Next, click Add to Chrome to install the extension. Confirm the installation by selecting Add Extension. Once installed, the extension icon will appear near your browser's address bar. You can pin the extension for quick access by clicking on the pin icon. Step 2. Using the extension. Now open Discord Web in your browser. Ready? Let's go. Click the extension icon, and it will start detecting your Discord token. But wait, if Discord was open before installation, you might hit a snag. For instance, if I click on Get Token, you can see that I receive an error message. This happens because I had the Discord page open and running before installing the extension. Step 3. Reloading the page. Simply refresh the Discord page by clicking the Reload button in your browser. This ensures the extension initializes correctly and begins working. After refreshing, click the extension icon again and hit Get Token. You should now see your Discord token without any issues. You can click on the copy icon to get your Discord token and use it with our Discord to Telegram bot to set up automatic forwarding from Discord to Telegram. Please note, this extension only works on Discord.com. It will not work on other websites because we designed it specifically for Discord. Rest assured, this extension is completely safe and free from malware. It does not access your information without permission, and your data is fully secure. We prioritize security and value the trust of our customers. When you place your trust in us, we guarantee that we will not let you down. That's all I wanted to share in this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more guides in the future, and see you next time.